Feeding the nation is a complex task that demands a strong commitment to the environment and long-term sustainability. Morrisons is dedicated to providing its customers with affordable, nutritious food produced sustainably from farmers they know and trust.
The journey from farm to table is one that Morrisons is continuing to prioritise now more than ever. Through focusing on sustainability and listening and responding to farmers, their ethical and environmentally conscious approaches are being welcomed by farmers across the UK, including right here in Cumbria.
Morrisons have been there and they're interested to see how it does work on our side and how it can affect their side as well, and it's all about the environment, looking after our soils and the animal welfare.
Morrisons is one of British farmers' biggest customers, directly buying from, supporting and championing farmers and producers. It is dedicated to providing locally sourced meat and vegetables across England, Scotland and Wales.
It's really so important that we're responsible for the animals' welfare at all those different stages, from farm, in transport, also what happens to their final destination. And then after that point, it's up to us to do the best we can with it. The farmers put a huge amount of care and attention into that product. We need to respect it back. So we need to make sure that in all of our sites that we're handling that product really well, that we're getting the best out of it, that we're making sure that we're maximising the yield, as they say, taking as much product as we can, but making sure it's fantastic quality.
Working with Sophie to support farmers get their produce in store and develop their businesses is sourcing manager Isla Rock.
We have a really talented group of livestock buyers who have between them over 180 years of livestock procurement. So that means that we have a group of livestock buyers that really understand the challenges, the environmental changes, and then also the opportunities that are there in front of farmers.
Isla also takes a lead on the Elite Beef programme and supports the Next Generation scheme that allows Morrisons to work closer with farmers in their 20s and 30s around Britain.
We've been out and seen farms, we've brought in industry experts to speak with the group, we've even given them the opportunity to speak with Morrisons' CEO. It's about opening up their mind to the wider impact that they have from what they've produced, and it's also about developing that next generation of leaders, really, of the industry.
Having informed and environmentally conscious young British farmers has knock-on effects for Morrisons' buying manager Dom, who believes customers are keen to make ethical decisions about what they buy.
Sustainability is at the forefront of our decision making now in the commercial team at Morrisons. Every product that every customer puts in their basket, they are now becoming more and more aware of the environmental impact and want to be educated in where their food comes from.
Sophie Throop sees Morrisons' role as that of a connector that can bring knowledge and information to farmers and buyers to put UK producers front and centre, not just now, but also into the future.
We sort of see it as our role as well to try and help support some of those new innovation ideas that could turn the dial a little bit on how we sort of have a footprint in agriculture or how we farm. And so we've got a long history of supporting PhDs in universities, and we're doing a really fantastic study of Australian seaweed, for example, at the moment, which is so exciting, the impact it could have on lowering methane emissions out of cattle. It's really, really important for us to listen and respond to those innovations and to bring those bits of inspiration really to farmers, as well as to support general working practice.
For farmers like Paul Coates, the positive relationship with Morrisons is one he is hoping to continue to develop as demand grows for his high-quality beef.
Regarding the net zero sustainability in farming, we've been working together, fetching different experts in to look at what we can do on our farm to hopefully improve the efficiency of the farm on each enterprise and hopefully make each enterprise work with one another. So it's been a nice journey to be on together.
We've been a key element of British farming for decades now, so it's in our DNA, it's in our heritage, so I'd welcome any farmers to join Morrisons.